Listen, if you open this video because you feel like your phone is slowly taking over your life, you're not alone. You tell yourself, I'll check one notification, and suddenly 40 minutes are gone. Your assignment is untouched, your mind feels tired, but you didn't do anything meaningful. And the worst part, you don't even remember what you were scrolling. If that feels painfully familiar, then keep watching. Because I'm about to show you exactly why your phone controls you and how you can take your power back today. Let's start with the simple truth. It's not your fault. It's your brain. And once you understand what's happening inside it, everything changes. Your phone is designed to give your brain tiny hits of dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical that says, hey, that felt good. Do it again. Every swipe, every reel, every notification, every like. Your brain doesn't care if it helps you or hurts you. It just thinks, that was easy, that was fun, let's keep going. And this becomes a loop. Scroll, dopamine, boredom, scroll again. That's why even when you're not enjoying your phone, you still open it. You're not addicted to the apps. You're addicted to the feeling they give you. This is why students lose hours every day without realizing it. Your brain isn't weak. It's reacting exactly how it's designed. But here's the good news. Once you understand the trap, you can break it. Let's move into the first fix. Your morning decides your mindset. If the first thing your brain gets is TikTok or Instagram, you've already lost your focus for the rest of the day. Because your brain starts expecting stimulation every few minutes. Instead, try this. No phone for the first 20 minutes after waking up. That's it, 20 minutes. This tiny change resets your brain's baseline. Drink water, stretch, make your bed, look outside, breathe. When you delay the first dopamine hit, you gain control over the rest of the day. It's like telling your brain, I'm the boss, not the phone. The afternoon is where most students get stuck. You sit to study, your brain gets bored, your hand reaches for the phone almost automatically. Here's a method that works insanely well. The 30-30 rule. 30 minutes of focus, 30 seconds to check your phone. Not 5 minutes, not scrolling, just a quick 30-second check. Why it works is simple. You're training your brain that checking your phone is allowed, but only after you earn it with focus. It gives you control without feeling restricted. Try it for one day. You'll be shocked how much you finish. Evenings are dangerous. You're tired. Your willpower is low. Your brain wants easy entertainment. So here's a simple habit. Create a phone parking spot. A drawer, a shelf, a table outside your room. After 9 p.m., park your phone there. Don't sleep next to it, because late-night scrolling silently destroys you. It affects your sleep, your mood, your hormones, your energy, and your next day's focus. Studies show that your brain can't fully rest when your phone is near you. Your mind stays alert, waiting for the next notification, even when the room is silent. Putting your phone away is not a restriction, it's a gift to your future self. The biggest reason students fail to break phone addiction is guilt. I'm lazy. I have no discipline. I'm ruining my life. Listen, you're not lazy. You're overwhelmed. Your brain is overstimulated. Your environment is working against you, and you're fighting battles no one can see. Here's what you need to remember. You have the power to control your phone, but only if you stop hating yourself for slipping. You win by building tiny systems, not by forcing massive changes overnight. Even a 5% improvement every day is enough to transform your life in a few months. Let me give you 4 simple habits that change everything. Turn off non-essential notifications. Your brain doesn't need constant ping rewards. Move distracting apps to the last screen. Make impulses harder. Use Do Not Disturb while studying. You can't focus when interruptions control your attention. Replace scrolling with one better habit. One habit, not 10. Reading, walking, stretching, journaling, anything peaceful. These micro habits are small, but they rebuild your attention like a muscle. Your future version of yourself, the one you imagine, the one you want to become, that version is waiting for you on the other side of this habit. You don't need to stop using your phone. You just need to use it with intention, not impulse. You're capable of more than you think. You're stronger than the scrolling habit. And starting today, you take back control. If this helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who struggles with phone addiction. Let's grow together. Let's enter grow mode for real.